This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the AMC naked shorters are going to continue to naked short. They can do whatever they want with no real consequences because the SEC is not going to do anything. The DOJ is not going to do anything. The FBI is not going to do anything. And, of course, Adam Aaron is going to try to help them as much as he possibly can without putting himself in legal jeopardy, okay? And that's just my opinion. You see AMC red, and the entire market is red. But let me tell you guys something. Do you guys think that everything else that was going on in the market made AMC investors who've been holding for 4 or 5 years to start dumping their AMC shares? Of course not. This is the bad actors using what's going on in the market to double and triple down on the criminality. And the SEC knows what they're doing. The DOJ knows what they're doing. The FBI knows what they're doing. And they do absolutely nothing. They practice willful blindness when it comes to AMC. They allow these bad actors to do whatever they want. And it's really the SEC's fault. Because the SEC, because they would not do their job, they would not enforce the rules of the market, they let the AMC play get out of control. And now the AMC play can take down the global market. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. I believe they've created so many counterfeit AMC shares that AMC running could collapse the entire market. And I think that's one of the reasons why they're allowing it to continue. Because they're trying to figure out a way to square this away without collapsing the entire market. And I don't see how they do that. I really don't see how they do that. But all of this is the fault of Gary Gensler and the SEC for failing to do their job and police the bad actors when they first started naked shorting AMC like this. Anyway, here the AMC numbers. You know, these numbers mean absolutely nothing because, you know, they do what they want. They're reporting a volume of 8,570,748. They're still not putting the calls like it matters. 33.9% of the volume was shorted shares. So somehow they found 2,900,000 AMC shares to short into the market and manipulate the price. Yet no one wants to ask them, where are these shares coming from? I mean, it's absolutely crazy. This type of trading behavior would not be acceptable if the 1%ers were losing money. And the short exempt, 13,565. Just more indication of counterfeit shares in my opinion. And the days to cover went up a little bit to 4.05 days, which tells me that they sent less FTDs overseas than they wanted to. Okay, because they're definitely not covering the short positions. But they don't cover and the days to cover goes down. That's because they're sending the FTDs overseas so that those numbers are no longer figured into the equation. And that's how the days to cover goes down. Not because they're covering, in my opinion. And they're claiming a short interest of 9.33%. It's probably 100 times higher. It's probably 933%. But their liquidity is running out. And the DOGE might start investigating the SEC. So they might start enforcing some of the rules of the market because they don't want to get caught with their hand in the cookie jar. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the AMC fiasco rather, is the fault of the SEC not doing their job? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.